Hey, it's Mr. Berdis here. Today we're going to go over the Ryobi P320 Airstrike brad nailer. This bad boy can handle 5/8 inch up to 2-inch brads. Wanted to let you know that this specific unit has driven over 9,000 brads in, and that is a huge accomplishment. This unit has been used by me in my shop, and I've also used it in the shop at Pathway School in the engineering and woodworking classes. So it's been in the hands of more than 120 students also, which is how we've reached over 9,000 brads punched. I'm going to go over some of the basic features. Some of the basic features on this particular tool is this is your adjustment for your airstrike. So you want to make sure that you can go plus or minus on the airstrike. This knob here is how deep that you'll actually drive the brads. You're going to turn it to the right to increase the depth and turn it to the left to decrease. In the handle, this particular button here will turn on your work light, and this is your power trigger. Part right here has to be pushed in onto a hard surface for it to actually fire, so you want to make sure that you have it on a flat surface for loading purposes. Got a button back here. Open that up, load your brads in, slide them in, close that down, and you're ready to go. All of this is going to be done, all the adjustments are going to be done with the battery removed. That's the most important thing to remember. And then we're also going to cover actually how to clear a jam if you actually get a jam. So we're going to put it to use, and let's see if we can drive in a few more brads. Take it, put on our safety glasses, fire it up, light comes on. I'm going to go ahead and see if we can get 9,005 brads put in. Press that down. And there you go. Now we've done 9,005 brads. I've never had to clear out the front with anything that's jammed. The only jams that I've had is when I've bought cheaper brads that they've actually jammed inside the actual loading tray, and I've just had to open that to clear it out. Main thing you want to remember is if you do have a jam and you need to clear that jam, open your tray and remove the brads. Most important thing, because once you open up the front, your brads are going to come flying out. So you want to make sure that you've unloaded the cartridge. If you have a jam, you've got this little flip switch lock on the front. You're going to open that up. Port. You're going to open the tray. So you have that pulled up like that. Using a small screwdriver, you can actually place that in there, and you can push the brad out through the reverse side so you can clear the jam. Put it all back together. Flip the front part down, flip the latch over top, snap that back into place, and you're ready to go. It's done a lot of service, still running strong. Purchased this one in 2019, so it's still around, still working. So as always, Ryobi, great job. And always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.